Well, g'day YouTube. Today I'm going to be looking at another Molen beer out of Bodegraven, Netherlands. This is their Storm and Regen. It is a intensely hopped Imperial IPA coming in at 8.1% alcohol and 60 IBUs. They're using water, barley malts, pills, and caramel. Bitter hops, Saz and Columbus, and dry hopped with Amarillo and, of course, top fermenting yeast. Yeah, really love the Molen, so I'm excited to get this one crack poured and see how it is. The appearance on Storm and Regen. Yeah, it looks like friggin' orange juice. Super cloudy, super hazy, bit of bits floating around in the bottom there. 3 fingers of a really nice looking tan head. Yep. Let's get an aroma on this one. Intense Citra hops in this. Oh, I'm getting so much passion fruit, melon. Yeah, like a cantaloupe, something like that. I always get watermelon out of this hop for some reason. Orange juice, grapefruit juice. So citrusy, so juicy. Oh, smells friggin' phenomenal. Cheers, everybody. That is so friggin' juicy. Yeah. Beautiful aromas from that citrus. Nice, dank, onion, garlicky taste to this one. Some piney resin qualities. Of course, that grapefruit peel, the grapefruit juice. But I'm getting some mandarin orange. I'm definitely getting like a melon, like just biting into a cantaloupe kind of thing going on. Yeah, absolutely delicious. Bit of tropical fruit, bit of citrus popping up here and there, different types of these fruits. Really nice hop profile to this one. It's got everything: the bitter, piney resin quality, the tropical fruits, and then tons of citrus. Yeah, awesome stuff. Nice creamy, velvety mouthfeel, almost chewy. Yeah, getting hints of like caramel toffee in the background there, and yeah, like a sweet bread, stuff like that. Really, really nice beer. I'd give this a solid 9 out of 10. It's great. Definitely suggest picking up Storm and Regen, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, good beer. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think of Molen. Probably the best IPA I've had from them so far. Yeah. Till the next time, cheers, everybody.